Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Today we're going to do unboxing or unbagging of a couple of things that I received. Okay, the first one is from a friend named Amanda. I actually met Amanda in a retreat that I went to last year. And so anyway, I saw that she was selling a couple of Coverminders, and I think it was on Facebook. Anyway, if you want to look at her stuff, it's Amanda's Crafty Magnetic Minders. Okay, so let's open this up. Cute. Okay, look how pretty the paper is, guys. Handmade with love. Thank you, especially for your winter wishes. How pretty that is. Okay, so I don't want to rip it, but sometimes you can't help it. Trying to be delicate. There you go. So cute. It looks like she sent me some stickers. The bag is very cute. It's got like little sunflowers and pumpkins on them. I don't know if you can see that. You can see better there. And then these pretty flower stickers. Well, flowers here, and then a butterfly. And of course, blue. She must know that I love blue. Okay, can you see that? All right, let's see what I ordered. Because I order and then I forget what I order. Oh my gosh. Look how cute these Coverminders are, guys. All right, so let's look at this one first. So this one is a little penguin, all tangled up with Christmas lights, and I love his little hat and scarf. And he looks like a very, very happy penguin. Okay, hoping the lighting is good. All right, let's see. Okay, let's do this one. Now this one looks familiar. I think the Diamond Art Club has a diamond painting. I think it's a hedgehog sitting, and he's actually curled up inside a cup and with some macaroons. Very, very adorable. See, they're Coverminders. And then this one, well, this one just says thank you, Amanda, the card. And this one is like marshmallow. I love marshmallow. That's a s'more, actually. It's a s'more. Just adorable. And of course, the Jetsons. Oop, upside down. When I was a little girl, I used to love, love, love watching the Jetsons. They were so advanced. The mom didn't have to go to the supermarket. She would basically order everything from the refrigerator. And look. Okay, so let's see. I think I ordered 4 more or 3 more. And then, of course, I ordered a sunflower. And then I ordered more marshmallows and the cookies, and I guess in the chocolate, getting ready to make some s'mores. And of course, you guys know I love, love dogs. I used to have a little guy. Dog hair is my glitter. This one actually would be perfect for my daughter. She has a big dog, and every time she comes over, she's all full of hair. Beautiful. I love them. Thank you, Amanda. I absolutely love them. All right, so see, let's move these over here for now, and then we'll bring them out again later. But we need the space right now. Okay, then the next one is from a wonderful, sweet lady named Tammy. And I also met her at the retreat. Actually, no, I met her before that. I met her at Craftably. Okay, so she said, Sylvia, thanks for supporting my small business. Hugs, Tammy. Okay, and you can get her stuff also, I believe, on Facebook. She makes the cutest little things. This, I believe, was a lanyard. She was making lanyards, and I had to order one. So it's called Leopards and Lace Boutique. Look how pretty that is. So let's open this. She's a very, very sweet lady. All right. And it looks like she sent me a little something here. Oh, look at this. How cute this is, guys. She makes these. See how pretty that is? Let me see if I have the other one. I know she made me one for when we went to the retreat. Ah, here it is. I believe it was this one. Yeah, here it is. She made this one also. This is when I went to the Texas retreat. See? It's got a little bow, a little decoration. So she just makes the cutest things, and I love that. I love that stuff. Okay, oh my gosh, when do you guys see this? Oh my gosh. Okay. I am definitely going to order again. Tammy, I am loving. Okay. I believe this is a lanyard. I can't remember. Oh my gosh, she sent me earrings. I did not order the earrings. Okay, let me see. I don't want to break anything here. Okay, there it is. Oh my gosh. The cow earrings, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, look at the eyelashes in the red bow. Oh my gosh, I love this. And of course, this is the lanyard that I ordered. This little bell, cow, and some decorative balls. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. Okay. Love it. Thank you. Love my earrings. Okay. And then I ordered, I figure I saw this on Amazon and I said, let's try it out, right? Why not? So this is basically 2 storage containers with container jars with lids, and it has 200 labels, so you could put them on the jars or the containers. And in each one is 30 in here, so they're perfect when you are working on a diamond painting that is smaller. If I can get this open, so let's check them out. Now this was $15.99 for 2 of them. That's very good actually, I think, for 2 of them. And look what I loved about it. It has a little handle so you can carry it with you. See? So you can actually have 2 diamond paintings. And the good thing about this, guys, you know, all of these containers, you could use them for other things. It doesn't have to be for diamonds. So there's 2 of them. See? All right, so let's open one of them. I love it so far, guys. Oop, that's pretty loud. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. So there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. Just a big usual container to put your beads, diamonds, or whatever you want to put in there, sequins. All right, so definitely going to try these. And like I said, you get 2 of these, so it's basically 60 containers for $15.99. All right, and I will write this all down, the links and the description box. And then I saw these pens. There's another one that I'm supposed to get, but I haven't gotten it yet. So I'm just going to open this one in the meantime. So this one is a Resin Luminous 5D point pen. And meaning that at night when you turn off the lights, this is supposed to glow. Is that not the prettiest? Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, yeah. But it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, and I believe it has 13 pieces in here. I think. Let's see. So of course you have the container with some wax. And there's 1. Oh wow, there's a lot. 4, 5, 6 waxes in here in blue. And then you have a straightener. And then you have a couple of these, which I don't use because I should try this one. This one's like for a 2, right? I think that's a 2. Maybe I should start using that one. I'm going to try that one because I usually just do single, believe it or not, guys. And that's why I think it takes me forever to finish a painting. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we said how many? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 13 to 14. Maybe they just put an extra one in there. All right, so I can't wait to try this one. But you know what? I think I'm gonna do a 2. Okay, maybe that one's 2. Let's try it on the other side. So I don't want to break it. Okay, 2, and then maybe a 1 on the other side. Well, I don't want to use this because I usually use the metal one, so let's keep it like that for now. But anyway, so I think I ordered the purple one. There's a purple one too. So, and this was $9.99. Okay, so let's put that over there too. And then the last thing, this is a diamond painting storage, and it's got flowers, which is, I thought it was so pretty. It has 60 slots. Sorry about the noise, but I gotta get it open. And I thought it was a good price too. So look how beautiful this is, guys. Look at the flowers. It's navy blue, and then it's got these beautiful flowers, pink flowers. And it's got the 2-way, they all basically do, they have a 2-way zipper. All right, so let's open this baby. Okay, they always have a separate compartment, I guess, whatever you want to call it, I guess a compartment. This comes with 2 little spoons. These are great also for glitter, when you're working with glitter. Okay, and this comes with, you can get it open. It comes with a lot of goodies, basically. And this was $18.99. But look at all the stuff that it comes with, guys. So it comes, let's actually put them in here. So I love these bags, okay? This is where you put your stuff in. So it comes with 2 spoons, with a zipper bag. It comes with a pink funnel, and the pink funnel is to help you when you are putting your beads in the containers. So let me show you for those who haven't seen these yet. Okay, you see? So you put this in the container like that, and then you pour the beads or the diamonds, so it's easier, and that way you won't spill them. Well, I don't know if it's guaranteed, but okay. So we got the funnel, 2 spoons. Oh, you got 4 pens with placers. You have 8 pieces of wax, and it comes with 2 trays. I love these trays, by the way. It comes with resealable bags, tweezers. This is the straightener, and labels. All right, so let's see if that fits in there. Perfecto. See that, guys? Perfect. I don't know if it'll close, but we'll check it out. Let's see. Yeah, I think we need to flatten this. Let's move this over here because we don't want to break anything. Okay. And then that's it, guys. So then you zip this baby up. I think it's just very pretty. Remember, you can use this to carry. Look at this. You're carrying it on the airport. I don't know if you're traveling, especially now for Christmas. And you could also remember, they don't have to be for diamonds. You can use them for buttons, for sequins, for beads, for anything, for glitter. So that's about it, guys. So let's just bring everything out. I need to bring my beautiful cows and my beautiful Coverminders. I don't know. Am I getting everything in here? Wait. This should be in the picture right there. And then let's put the cows there, the Coverminders, and the extra little thing she sent me. Let's not forget the pen and the wax and stickers. I don't know if you get everything in there. Can you get everything in there? Okay. So that's about it, guys. Have a wonderful rest of the night. Bye-bye. And thank you very much.